Welcome to Review Rumble. The best craft ideas is probably one of the most exciting ways to spend your free time, offering a fantastic opportunity to express your creativity. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the world of craft ideas is vast and full of possibilities. In this video, we'll explore some of the most inspiring craft ideas, perfect for sparking your imagination and helping you create something truly unique. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Introducing the Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. It's the perfect gift for kids who love arts and crafts. This kit provides a fun and sensory adventure. Dive into a world of vibrant slime creations. This kit is designed for girls ages 8 to 12. The tactile experience and delightful scents make it an enchanting choice. With 31 exciting pieces, this kit offers endless imaginative play. It encourages creativity and blends fun with educational value. It's a great gift. Enjoy easy crafting with intuitive instructions. It's perfect for hands-on activities. This kit is an engaging gift for kids. Inspire creativity this holiday season. It's perfect for birthdays or holiday celebrations. This kit is a thoughtful choice for memorable gifts. What we like. This kit offers a unique sensory experience with its cherry-scented slime, making crafting even more enjoyable. It's a comprehensive set, providing everything needed for hours of fun. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun, creativity, and a delightful sensory experience, you should consider this. What people say. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. This kit really encourages creativity. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Number 4. GirlZone Unicorn and Mermaids Coloring Book. This coloring book is designed to spark creativity. It provides a space for kids to express themselves and enjoy the process of coloring. It helps children feel a sense of accomplishment. This book offers a stress-free environment, perfect for creative expression. Inside, you'll find 114 adorable designs. The illustrations include unicorns, mermaids, and many other fun images. It's great for anyone with an artistic side. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this book is perfect for you. It offers a relaxing pastime, pulling you away from screens. This coloring book encourages imagination and focus. Looking for a great gift? This coloring book is perfect for birthdays. It's designed for kids aged 5 and up. What we like. This coloring book provides a stress-free space for creative expression, perfect for all ages. It features fun designs that spark imagination. If you are looking for a relaxing and engaging activity that encourages creativity and focus, it's a great choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of materials. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The finished crafts look great. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Mosaic Photo Frame Craft Kit. This amazing kit lets kids create their own mosaic photo frame. It's a fun and engaging way to express themselves and make something beautiful. The kit includes everything needed to get started: a wooden frame, shimmering shells, glue, and a spreader. It's designed for easy crafting and a stunning finished product. The mosaic tiles are made from real mother-of-pearl, giving the frame a beautiful, multicolor shine. Each piece is unique, allowing kids to design their own style. The kit uses child-friendly glue and a spreader for easy application and minimal cleanup. All materials are non-toxic, making it perfect for any crafting environment. This activity promotes fine motor skills, color recognition, and spatial awareness. It's a great introduction to art and design through hands-on play. This kit is a meaningful gift for birthdays or any special occasion. The finished frame becomes a lasting keepsake of their creativity. What we like. This kit allows you to create a beautiful mosaic photo frame using genuine mother-of-pearl shells. It's a STEM-integrated activity, promoting fine motor skills and creativity. If you like a gift that combines artistic expression with educational value, you should choose this. What people say. The kit comes with everything needed to decorate the frame, and the colorful mosaic pieces are fun and easy to use. The finished frame looks adorable and feels sturdy enough to actually display. The frame itself is sturdy and well-made, definitely great value for the price. Number 2. Prismic Star Lantern Craft Kit. This is the Prismic Star Lantern, a unique craft kit for all ages. It's a fun and engaging way to create your own dazzling light display. The lantern features a stunning 3D star shape with prismatic panels. These panels beautifully reflect light, creating a vibrant and eye-catching effect. It's perfect for any room. The kit includes a clear, illustrated instruction booklet. You can also scan a QR code for a video tutorial. The process is intuitive and fun for everyone. It comes with energy-efficient USB-powered LED string lights. This eliminates the need for batteries, making setup simple and hassle-free. The lights provide a soft, yet vibrant glow. This DIY light-up star is a thoughtful gift for kids, teens, and adults. It encourages creativity and hands-on engagement. They'll be proud to display their glowing creation. Made from lightweight, durable plastic, this lantern is perfect for hanging or tabletop display. The prismatic finish shifts colors dynamically, creating a stunning ambient effect. It's a perfect gift for craft lovers. What we like. This kit creates a dazzling 3D star lantern with prismatic panels and USB-powered LED lights. The easy-to-follow assembly makes it fun for all ages. If you are looking for a unique and beautiful room decoration that encourages creativity, it is perfect for you. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to create beautiful crafts. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The finished products look amazing. Number 1. Preschool Paper Crafts, Hand-Eye Coordination and Scissor Skills. Today, we're diving into the world of paper crafts designed specifically for preschoolers. This book is packed with fun and engaging activities. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity. Inside, you'll discover 25 unique craft projects. Each one is carefully designed to be age-appropriate and exciting for young children. They will love it. These crafts are more than just fun, they're educational. They help children develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination. It will help them in the future. The projects also focus on improving scissor skills. This is a crucial skill for preschoolers. They will learn how to use scissors safely and effectively. Get ready for a world of colorful paper, glue, and endless possibilities. This book is the perfect companion for parents and educators. It will be a great choice. What we like. This book offers 25 creative crafts designed to practice hand-eye coordination and scissor skills. It's a great way to develop essential skills while having fun. If you have a preschooler, you should consider this. What people say. The book contains complete templates to cut out to make each one of the projects. The instructions are easy to follow and illustrations are provided. It's great and non-expensive. The paper is thick to make the cutting easier and great variety of crafts to choose from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.